Good morning. Here with you today to go over day one of our remote learning plan. First, I want to go over the My Activity site option with you because that'll be my biggest recommendation is to build that Google site and research and track your physical activity that best meets your needs. First of all, we're here at the Homes page on Blackboard. And as I go over to the Remote Learning Collaboration tab, which if you found this video, you have already done, then I go to the collaboration room page. That's for later today for 1 and 2. I'll be waiting for you in the collaboration room if you have additional questions. You can also call me anytime during the school day this week or text me with questions. Days 1 and 2 down here, you're going to need to submit your activities. The remote learning daily option, 10 points per submission from the makeup assignment page. Uh, again, we are really encouraging you to get outside. It is okay to go outside. But my number one recommendation is to complete the My Activity page directions. When you do this, once you click on that site, you're going to come up to Plan Site. The directions are outlined in detail, how much you have to get done for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. Even though days 1 through 4 are all written work, I strongly encourage you to get out and do something also while you're at it. Maybe try out your activity, go practice it, get out and do it also. And then you could save those activities for later on to count for credit. To submit, or if you need extra help, you can learn to build a Google site the same way I did. Go online, be an independent lifelong learner, try the G Suite Learning Center, or check out YouTube videos. I've suggested one here for you. But you have your to do list, and make sure when you publish it that you do publish first and share the link with me through Google Blackboard. The site should have these 4 pages: the About Me page, which you can see I've created one here as if I was in 1A. Pictures of you doing your activity or the activity you would like to do. Tell me a little bit about yourself and why you want to do that activity. Things you already like to do and examples of those. And you with your activity, here you could have maps of hikes you want to do or a budget for the things you need to purchase. There's lots of ways to do this. I just gave you some examples such as embedding a Google spreadsheet, or you could just type it into a table if you want. You choose how you do this, but these are just all options of ways to embed video, Google Docs, maps, things that you can embed into your page to tell me about and educate me and yourself about your activities. If you choose to do nutrition extra credit, just one option that I made up for extra points, things that I do that are positive choices, and then some choices that I make sometimes that aren't so good, but are, but sometimes that can be a bad decision. Look at that. A cheeseburger on double grilled cheese sandwich. That wasn't my bad decision. That was my son's. But lots of other bad decisions there. And then my activities and workouts. This is where you can share all the things you do. You can embed your workouts within your site. If you click on this video, once you get to the sample page, it'll show you how to embed those workouts. That's just a little extra screencastify. And then you can see here, I use Strava for most of mine, and there's all of my logs. There's a video that I shot last week at North Park of the short loop. So that's another option you could do if you use your phone or your GoPro. You can shoot video and embed it in there. You can do a time lapse. That's actually a full length video of the ride around the short loop at Pie Trainer Field. And you can see lots of other hikes and runs and bikes that I've done, just to give examples. Other apps work also. You can embed in there with All Trails or Map My Fitness. I really suggest Strava if you're running or biking. If you're hiking, All Trails is a great option. So is Strava. But look at ways to get that done as you go through. I made it as self-explanatory as possible. I don't want to talk too long, but you can get an idea of exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. The big things is to make sure that when you do share it, you share it through the Google form. Whichever assignment you do, it's the same Google form. You make sure you enable that I can view your assignment before you share it with me. And then answer the questions, share the hyperlink here to it. If you're doing a day by day assignment, you need to submit this form with each activity you complete. If you're doing the My Activity Plan, you only need to submit it one time, and I'll refer back to that one submission each time I go in to evaluate it. Days 1 and 2 are for completion for everybody, and from then on, it will be based on what you actually do and how well you follow directions and meet the objectives of the lesson. Good luck. I'll see you in the collaboration room if you have questions, or give me a call or text me during the school day. Thanks. Have a great day. Enjoy your activities and make the most out of what the opportunities that you have.